Now I'm going to do my 7th experiment in my C# lab, and in the 7th experiment we're going to create a web form application. So this program in C# is to demonstrate database connectivity through Windows form. So the first step in the C# application is to create an instance of the server object and to establish its connection to an instance of Microsoft SQL Server. So the SQL connection object is handling the part of physical communication between the C# application and the SQL Server database. Here, an instance of the SQL connection class in C# is supported the data provider for the SQL Server database. The SQL connection instance takes connection string as argument and pass the value to the constructor statement. So I have completed my coding part here. Now I am going to explain my output. So now this is my coding portion. Now I'm going to run my program. This is the first interface, first page I'm getting while I'm running the program. So here I have to give my username and password. In my code itself I have already given my username and password as Romeo 1234. So I have already assigned that, so I have to give that particular thing itself, otherwise it will be terminated. So I'm giving Romeo as the username and password is 1234. Then I'm clicking login. It will be logged in. So now I will get a pop-up window like username and password is correct. Okay, now this is the second interface, and in this one I have to give employee name, employee ID and company. I am registering these details to the server. So in SQL Server Management System I can see these changes simultaneously. I have created a database, and in the database I have created a table, and this table here we can see, I can see the given details under here. These are the various username and password mentioned here, and Romeo 1234, that password is given for the admin entry. And here I have another table, and in this table I can see the changes taking place while I am executing various operations in my website. So now I'm going to give an employee name like Akhil, Anil, then employee ID is 123, company name is just IPM. So I'm going to register that one. Now I get a pop-up window like details submitted successfully. Okay, then I can see these changes here in the SQL Server Management System. So once again I am giving the same thing, 1 company IPM, register, details submitted successfully in the system. Yeah, the below portion here I can see that the mentioned values, I have the details I have entered in the site is uploaded in the server page. So Anil 123 IPM is similarly another one, Anil 11 IPM. Now I am going to update the value. So I'm clicking the option update. So I'm typing the name as so based on the registered number only we can update the values. So in the server I can see a particular registered number like suppose 123, take 123, and I'm updating the name as Akhil. Now I'm clicking update, updated successfully, the pop-up window came. Now I can check whether the change has been taking place or not. Yes, the 123 named register number has been changed to Akhil from Anil. So it has been working properly. Now I am going for another option, delete. this is the last one, or last option. Delete is the last option, and I have to give the register number for the delete operation has to be taking place. So I am giving the register number as 11 delete. Deleted successfully. Now I am again checking that. Yes, the name with the details register number 11 has been successfully deleted. So this is the experiment. This is the experiment. These are the various functionalities. So this experiment is mainly deals with demonstration of the database connectivity through Windows Form.